Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scanner from the 20th to the 24th of October 2025 on Monday. Tiro is desperate to break free and he's fed a risk idea to make that happen. Fed up with her daughter's deception, a mother demands answers on Tuesday. Chloe faces a disturbing truth from her childhood. Tiro sees a new opportunity, one that could change everything. Ephraim uncovers a betrayal that cuts deep on Wednesday. As Lihle and her mother grows closer, also remains unwilling to forgive. Ephraim confronts Bafana and tempers flare in a shocking clash on Thursday. A mother's wisdom weighs on a daughter's pivotal choice. Trouble brews as a business begins to unravel for Orchid and Ephraim on Friday. To Tiro's frustration, Dala plays his card perfectly and wins the people over. A man finds himself hunted by ghosts and terrorized by his own community. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.